tire.
Do you want Andrew to spot? Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Yeah.
I think he needs a spot. He's coming.
Now see, you got that undercut where your both tires are trying to come up at the same time. Why don't you, I think the line is your tire up on top of that little ledge right there. I was trying to put my tire right on that ledge right there. Start climbing here. Towards me?
Passenger, yeah.
Towards me?
Woo! You made it.
Got it. Back off. Back off. Driver. Some treacherous stuff, huh?
I smell the gas. You're going to cave the whole side of the fucking Jeep in. Can you put your ass in over there? I don't.
That's a piece of shit spot.
Yeah, that's hard.
Better to go around.
That'll cave in the side of the Jeep.
Woo! Yahoo!
That's how you do it, boys.
Good job.
No, that's how you point the front end.
That's right.
Now, of course, I'm gonna fucking get stuck. Hey, I didn't even have the fucking lockers on.
Show up. Hey, you made it easier up that than these guys did.
4 tires spin all by themselves without lockers.
The locker button's off. Look.
You made it through there easier than they did.
Hey.
Bite me!
Hey, who are you riding home with?
Maybe Kurt. Guess who I was riding home with?
Apparently he can get you there.
That's right. Hey, wait, don't back up. Here, let me throw my bottle in there.
You know where I put mine? It's like right here, right behind the deal with the holes in it.
Okay.
Back up.
Yeah, hang